First on Fox 21, if you're wearing a hat tonight, you might want to hold on to it because southern Colorado is under a high wind warning and a red flag warning.
Yeah, parts of our region have seen winds up to 70 miles per hour with speeds only expected to increase through the morning.
Yeah, Fox 21's Carolyn Felling joins us live to see what conditions are like right now. Carolyn, how is it looking out there?
Yeah, Robert, Rachel, not only is it very windy out here, but it is also raining. As you can see, it was a very bad day to forget a hair tie. Now you can see all of the semis behind me that have stopped at a way station here in Monument, waiting out these severe conditions. As we made our way up here, we saw everything from bouncing cable lines and traffic lights to large clouds of dirt over downtown Colorado Springs and other debris flying into our car. I spoke with a truck driver parked near the interstate alongside many others waiting out the wind, who says conditions like these are some of the hardest on truck drivers face while on the road. She told me when it gets around 46 miles an hour, she will not drive.
I can say is, like, on the way down here, it kept kicking, like the wind would kick, and you're constantly fighting the steering wheel. I mean, it's constant. So I wear leather gloves so I have a better grip on the steering wheel, because, you know, otherwise it's going to slip, you know, because your hands sweat when you're nervous up there.
She also told me the best way for drivers to respect semis on the road is keep your distance, avoid the road if possible, and remember, it takes them much longer to slow down. Rob, Rachel, I'm going to go look for a hair tie now. Reporting in Monument, Carolyn Felling, Fox 21 News. Back to you.